Jen Stagg from Stagg Design. Even the most beautiful, lush lawns require some annual maintenance. Today I'm going to be showing you a simple way to keep your lawn looking great by reseeding. So these are some of the problem spots right here. Thanks to pets or sun damage, you may have some of these little bare spots around your yard, but this is a really simple project that just takes you a few minutes. Now, depending on the space that you're doing, these are some of the tools that you may need for this project. You'll need some good gloves, a hand rake, possibly a shovel, a seed spreader, depending again on how big your space is. You may want to keep an oscillating sprinkler or a water source handy. The seed, of course, if you need any mulch, or you can also use some soil amendment. The first thing you need to do is prep your space. I'm just gonna demonstrate on this a little bit larger space that has some damage to it. I've got my little hand rake here, and I'm just gonna loosen things up and take out some of this old stuff and throw it away. Okay, now we've loosened up the soil and we're ready to get seeding. Now you could mix in some mulch or some fresh soil if you want, but our soil is in pretty good condition, so I'm just gonna start seeding. Now, if you are doing a really large area, a seed spreader in that instance would be very helpful, but we're just gonna pretend this is like salt and we're gonna go over our patch of grass. The seed is a bright blue color because it has a water-smart coating that helps absorb more water into the seeds. This is something that you want to do annually. Check on your grass, make sure there aren't any pet damage spots or anything like that. We don't have pets, but our neighbors have plenty of cats that like to wander through our yard, and that's where these spots come from. Now we're just gonna lightly rake this area to work the seed in. You don't need to do too much, just a little bit to kind of mix it in. The last thing to do is water. So we're gonna water this, give it a nice good soak right now, and then you wanna water this every day and keep the soil nice and moist until the seedlings are about 2 inches tall. Just like everything else in your garden, your lawn just needs a little checkup from time to time. You can shop these products at your local Home Depot or at homedepot.com.